believe, and you have to be able to feel it inside of you that you are a powerful people. Put your right fist up like this. Your right hand all the way up. I don't want to see no bend in your elbow. I want to see your elbow straight. Reach. Right arm. Right hand.
Right.
Right. The right. All the way up. Make a fist. Take your hand out your hand. Make a fist. And say, we are powerful people.
We are powerful people.
There is nothing that I cannot do.
There is nothing that I can do.
Because God made me great.
God made me great.
Thank you very much.
Clap for yourselves.
Appreciate yourself. Appreciate yourself.
Myself.
Okay? Now, if everything began in Africa, people began in Africa, science began in Africa, art began in Africa, engineering began in Africa, where did yoga begin? Where did yoga begin?
Africa.
I can't hear you.
Africa.
Yoga began in Africa. Say it.
Yoga began in Africa.
Okay? And so, what is yoga? Yoga is a method. It is a way of living your life to allow you to reach your highest potential. Y'all know, who knows what potential is? Potential means that you have the ability to become great. Every one of you have the ability to be what? Great. What I just said. You have the ability to be great.
Yes.
So that is your potential. And when you practice yoga, it helps you to make your mind strong. I want you to say those words. When you practice yoga,
When you practice yoga.
When you practice yoga.
1, 2, 3.
When you practice yoga,
You make your mind strong.
you make your mind strong.
You can think better.
You can think better.
You can see better.
You can see better.
You can hear better.
You can hear better.
Okay? So that comes from the practice of yoga. And so because African people began the practice of yoga, they were able to think better, hear better, see better, and they were able to create things that had never been created before. Let me see your eyes. Okay? They were able to create things that had never been created before. Civilization. The pyramids. Where are the pyramids at?
Correct.
Let me hear you say it loud, everybody. Where are the pyramids?
Egypt.
One more time.
Egypt.
What is the real name for Egypt? Kemet. Say the real name for Egypt.
The real name for Egypt.
You don't have to say it loud. The real name for Egypt
The real name for Egypt
is Kemet.
is Kemet.
What does the word Kemet mean? You know what the word means? It means the black land, the land of black people. Y'all hear what I said? The word Kemet means the black land, the land of black people. It is the land where the first civilization in the world began and where the pyramids were built. When I come back in the future, I'm going to show you pictures, many pictures up on the screen of the pyramids and how great they were. Well, you may have already seen certain things from your teachers, I don't know. But I'm going to show you many things from ancient Africa that nobody has ever done since your ancestors did them. Everybody in this room is descended or related like a cousin of the people from ancient Kemetic. Did you know that? If you are a Khan, if you are Da, if you are Ebe, and all the other groups of people in Ghana, you can trace your ancestors back to ancient Egypt and the pharaohs. Did you know that? The same people who built the pyramids are your ancestors. Okay? And nobody in the history of the world have been able to build pyramids except for the people of ancient Kemet, your ancestors. Nobody from England, nobody from Germany, nobody from Holland, nobody from Russia, nobody from America, in 6,000 years have been able to duplicate, to repeat the building of the pyramid. Right? Therefore, they are some of the greatest accomplishments of people, of any people in the history of the world. And those are your ancestors. Okay? And so, one of the ways that they were able to create the pyramids and the great other structures and buildings and writing and mathematics that they did was because they trained themselves how to meditate. They trained themselves how to meditate. Y'all hear what I just said? Yes. They trained themselves how to breathe, how to relax, how to concentrate, and how to meditate. And from that, they were ready to create great civilization. Okay? That nobody has been able to make ever since, 6,000 years ago. So what's the first thing that a person needs to learn in order to practice yoga? They need to learn how to breathe, the proper way of breathing. Is anybody here who do not breathe? Everybody breathes, right?
Yes.
But there is a science to how to breathe properly. There is a way that you should breathe properly in order to make your mind become strong and to relax tension from your mind and from your body. There is a way for you to learn how to breathe so that you can make yourself do the right thing. Okay? Listen to what I just said. There's a way that you can learn how to breathe. There's a proper way to breathe which will help you to strengthen your mind that will allow you to do the right thing. So that your teacher doesn't have to tell you the right thing, so that your mama and your daddy does not have to tell you the right thing. You would know how to do the right thing because it comes from inside of you. Okay?
Do you understand what you just said?
Yes.
Okay.
I know y'all shy, y'all quiet, and that's good. But I want you to understand what I'm saying. And I don't want you to forget. Because I as a teacher, I have been teaching this for 46 years. I traveled all over the planet Earth, all over the United States, all over Europe, all over South America, the Caribbean, and Africa, from Egypt in the north to South Africa in the bottom, and to south. And I teach thousands and thousands of people. And most of these people pay me to learn what I have to teach. But I come here because I want to give to my young sisters and brothers, to my sons and my daughters, because I consider all of you to be like a son and a daughter to me. When I look at your faces, I see my sons, I see my daughters, I see my grandsons, I see my granddaughters when I see your faces, because we are all one, okay? That makes me feel good to see you, because you are good people, you are great people. And I want you to live your life in a way